sound test. Check. Check. Hello, 1, 2, sound check.
Pasok ka sa akin.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Sige. Yan, ito.
Okay, good morning once again to all our partners out there. Siyempre, ang mga AGG partners po natin worldwide. Kamusta po kayo lahat? And of course, Happy ating 19th anniversary po. Para po dun sa mga nakasama po natin sa ating anniversary, congratulations because you witnessed another history of our company last July 21. At syempre, para naman po sa mga hindi nakarating, meron naman po tayong mga nakapost sa Facebook tungkol po dun sa mga nangyari dun sa ating anniversary. At sana po, everybody should be inspired with an anniversary of our company kasi madami pang susunod na anniversary po. And of course, congratulations as well doon sa mga awardees po natin from our new Hall of Famer and of course, our top 20 and of course, para doon sa mga na-awardan ng kanilang mga different ranks, congratulations to each and everyone. Most especially, congratulations din sa mga nanalo sa ating mga raffles. Most especially, sino-sino po ba sila? Ayan, yung mga nanalo ng 5 US trips. At syempre, yung nanalo po ng ating 1 million peso na papadala sa kanyang Vivo. At ang ating winner ng ating Nissan Terra. Congratulations to each and everyone. But of course, tapos na ang celebration po na yan. Pero syempre, hindi matatapos po yung ating training for today. At ano po ba ang ating magiging topic? Ayan, ang DTC Mastery. But of course, para po dun sa mga first time na nanonood po ngayon sa ating Facebook Live, siyempre, magpapakilala po ako sa inyo. Ako nga po pala si Dr. Rachel Magera, one of the training specialists here at AGG. At siyempre, nandyan ka na rin lang naman sa ating Facebook Live ngayon. Mag-comment ka sa ating comment section. At siyempre, hindi lang mag-comment, gusto ko mag-share ka ng ating gagawing training for today. By the way, ano nga po ba ang DTC? Actually, DTC is an acronym for Data Tracking Center. Ano po ba yun, Doktora? Okay, for information, importante that when you are doing your business, you have to monitor your business. But in our case, hindi mo kailangan mag-hire ng any office staffs para lang ma-monitor ang negosyo mo kasi dito po meron tayong sariling program that you yourself can monitor your business. Kaya naman, sabi ko nga, mag-share ka ng training ngayon para yung mga partners natin na hindi pa nila masyadong alam yung kanilang DTC, ano bang nilalaman yan, eto na po ang ating gagawing training for today. Okay, so let's start. Siyempre, kailangan po muna pumunta tayo sa ating website wherein ito po yung easy.empoweredconsumerism.com/#/shining-dash easy. Once you are here dito sa ating website, syempre, kailangan natin ng iyong username. Of course, you have to know that, no? If ever na hindi mo yan alam at ang iyong upline ang nag-register sa'yo, ay kailangan alamin mo sa kanya ito. Most especially, itong password para makapag-login po tayo. Once you were able to type your username and also your password, all you have to do is to click here, the confirm button here para makapasok na tayo sa iyong DTC. Once you click that, ayan, eto na po ang lalabas sa iyong dashboard. The first page na makikita mo dyan sa iyong DTC ay iyong dashboard, no? At ang ating model dito sa ating DTC, at syempre ang ating buwakong-buwako na training specialist as well, Sir Jason Lino. Okay, ano po ba ang makikita po natin with our dashboard, no? So ito nga po, no? Itong first page na makikita po natin kung saan madami tayong mga figures na makikita po dito. Ang unang-unang figure na makikita po natin dito na ating in-encircle with orange is 41,061.65 wherein ang nakalagay po dito all USID, no? So, balance. So, ibig sabihin, yung all account po natin, no, with the different user ID, yan po yung total balance po niya. Okay, so, sa katabi naman po niya, on the right side, meron po nakalagay din po na specific user ID number balance po dito. Kung saan, this is 41,041.65 pesos. Okay, so mamaya malalaman po natin, ito pong user ID number po na to, yung balance po na to ay specific for that, okay, user ID number. Because you can have different user ID number here. Kasi nga po, pwede kang magkaroon ng madaming account po dito, hindi lang isa. Okay, so meron din po tayong makikita po dito, no, na ibang account mo. So, paano natin makikita, no, yung ibang account po natin, as I said earlier, no, na tayo po ay pwedeng magkaroon ng madaming account po dito. All you have to do is to go to the upper right portion, yung tatlong dot po na makikita niyo po doon sa right upper portion ng inyong screen. Ayan, i-click nyo lang po yun, then lalabas na po doon yung different user ID number that you do have here. And of course, may mga specific amount po na nakalagay po dyan. So for the first one, yun na nga po yung 41,041 na binanggit po natin kanina. So yung total na naunang-unang na-encircle natin kanina with RH, okay, is bakit po ba nagkaroon ng sum up na 41,061? Because there are a balance here of 10 pesos on other user ID number and another 10 pesos dun po sa isang user ID number naman po. So, what else can we see here? Meron din tayong Easy Wallet. Okay, what else? Meron din po tayo makita po ditong Travel GC na i-discuss po natin yan later on. And of course, the Product GC na i-discuss din po natin later on as well. Okay, so what's next? Okay, so underneath, no, the icon of the picture of Sir Jason, nakita po natin sa lower portion, may nakalagay po ditong account info. Okay, so once we click that, ano na po ang ating makikita? Of course, it's all about you, no? So nakikita po natin dito, of course, the country of your origin, the package that you were able to purchase, ECT status, what else? The OVI status, personal consumption. Okay, napaka-importante po nito if you are already have your PMA. Okay, so what else? The available points on your left and your right side as well. Para at least alam mo, no, kapag ikaw ay mayroong, okay, i-register, at least more or less kung saan side mo, syempre, mas maliit na points, mas maganda din po natin siya ipasok. Left side, right side points, nandyan po. Available product GC, no? Kung ilan na ang product GC na pwede po natin ma-claim. And of course, the total direct referral commission na nagkaroon ka na. Okay, so aside from that, okay, the next menu na makita po natin under your dashboard is the transaction. Okay, so this menu can be seen on your left side of your screen. Kapag kinlik na po natin yung ating transaction, eto naman po ang lalabas. So we are very liquid, no? We are very transparent with all the transactions that you are having here in our company. So makikita mo dito, okay, may mga dates po yan, may mga reference number for each, and what did you do on that specific date, what kind of transaction did you do, okay, for example here, like encashment, no, what else, your UPP, your stair step, your unilevel. So yan lang po yung ilang mga example. And of course, the amount that you were able to transact and the specific transaction, nakalagay din po yan dito. Okay, so what else? Another menu that you can see on your left portion of your DTC, okay, is what we call the stair step. Okay, so once we click the stair step. By the way, this is one of the commissions that we are giving here in our company. We're in. Before you can enjoy, okay, having commissions with the stair step, you should have first your rank. Okay, that is Silver Executive, Gold Executive, and Global Ambassador as well. So kapag na po kinlik po natin yan, ito na po yung lalabas. We're in, makikita po natin dito. Okay, so your personal, okay, accumulated points value. Okay, what else? So that's your own. Okay, so what else? Your group accumulated points value wherein this is being contributed by all your organizations, no? Yung mga nabenta po nila, mga products po natin. So, mga points value po nandiyan because all the products that being sold by your group is being also added to your points. Kaya napakaganda no, na tayo po ay napapabilis yung pagtaas ng rango po natin because of the group sales of your group. Okay, so what else? At ang maganda po dito, nakalagay din your total stair step earnings. So from the very start that you were able to have your rank, lahat ng commission mo na nakuha ay nakalagay po dito. Okay, what else? Ayan. At syempre, your total Star Step earnings for this month, your running commission. When we say running, yan yung kasalukuyang kinikita mo na, no? Na iyong matatanggap on the 15th of the next month because the Star Step commission is given on a monthly basis on the next 15th day, okay, of the next month, dun mo yan matatanggap. So, at least may inaantay tayo, di ba? So, why we said it's running? Kasi hindi pa naman po tapos ang month natin, so po pwede pang madagdagan yung amount po na ito. Okay, dito naman po sa ibaba, no, sa lower portion of your screen, makikita po natin yung mga user ID number, the names of your downline who were able to share to you, okay, this accumulated points value na nakita natin dun sa taas, di ba? So, actually po, dito makikita rin po natin, no? Kaya ito po, minsan nagiging batayan yung iba on giving, okay, recognitions to their own organization kasi makikita dito kung sino yung magagaling na group, no, na nakakapag-contribute, no, sa points value po natin. Okay, so, and at the same time, you can also have a backtrack of the transactions that you do have in your Star Step, no? Okay, so pwede kang mamili kung anong buwan and at the same time, the year as well. Okay, so another menu that we can see, okay, on the left portion of your DTC is what we call the network menu. Ano po ba ang makita po natin, no, sa network menu? Okay, ito po, recruitment, direct sponsor, PMA monitoring, network sales, rank promotion, global partners, and prime direct monitoring as well. Okay, so ito po, no, yung makikita po natin. Okay, so as I said, no, one of the menu under the network money is the recruitment, no. So makita po natin lahat na na-recruit, no, under organization and this menu we're in. You can also have, as I said earlier, a backtrack of it. Kasi dito rin, no, nakita po natin dito lahat. So, again, this is being used as well by groups on giving recognitions kung sino ang pinakamagaling, no, na mag-direct, mag-sponsor, okay, ng kanilang mga downline. Okay, again, you could have backtrack on that. So, another, okay, menu that we can see after that is the direct sponsor. When you say direct, lahat ng na-sponsoran mo personally, makikita mo po yan dito, no? So, syempre, ayan, napakaganda. Kailan ba yung mga recruitments na yan nangyari? Kailan ba sila nag-pay in, no? Kasi minsan sa sobrang dami ng na-recruit mo, ng direct mo, no? Nakakalimutan mo na sila. So, ayan, ma-review mo po sila dito. And again, you can have a backtrack of it, no? Kung anong buwan mo gusto yung balikan po yan. Okay, so, another thing is, ayan, syempre, yung ating tinatawag na performance monitoring, no? PMA monitoring. So, in this part, ang ganda. Bakit? As we all know the importance of our PMA, our personal month achievement, you have to have that for you to be able to receive commissions on the following month. Kasi kapag hindi mo po yan nagawa, sayang naman ang effort na ginagawa po natin. What we can give you if you were able to forgot, okay, to have your PMA is only the direct referral. So sayang naman, di ba? Yung math sales bonus mo and the other, okay, marketing plan na ibibigay dapat namin sa iyo ay hindi maibibigay kung wala kang PMA. And as an outline, of course, it's so important na makikita mo po dito sa portion po na to ng iyong DTC kung sino pa yung hindi nakakapag-PMA. We have here their mobile numbers. Actually, you can send message as well, no? Sa kanila, directly to their DTC, para po naman nila, hala, buti na lang, in-update ako ni upline, hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-PMA, di ba? Okay, so what else about? We have here another menu, what we call the uni-level. Okay, wherein this is another commission that we are giving to each and every one of you. Saan naman ba ito nakukuha? Based again on the sales of your group of our products. From the first up to the 10th level, you will be given 5% of the commission on points. And of course, you're going to be having a plus 5 kung mga direct mo yung nandyan sa first up to the 10th level po na yan. Okay, so you can see here, sino-sino po ba ang nag-contribute po ng purchases of their products under organization? Ano bang binili po nila? Okay, magkano ang commission mo dyan? At kung saan level ba yun? Okay, kung saan level ba sila naka-build no, sa iyong organization. So, nakakatuwang tignan. And at the same time, ano pa yung makikita po natin dito? Yung total unilevel earnings for the month. So, this is your running commission. Again, we said running kasi hindi pa tapos ang buwan. So, maaari pang madagdagan po ito. Just imagine with the cooperation of your whole organization from first up to the 10th level, we are giving you commissions from the product sales that they are having. So, it's so important for us to be able to teach our group on how to sell our product. Of course, syempre, kailangan magaling tayo. At para tayo gumaling, when it comes to sales of our products, attend tayo lagi ng ating product training. Okay, so aside from this, you can also have a backtrack of the sales of our unilevel commission dito po. So dito po, ginagamit din po ito ng mga leaders po natin in giving recognitions kung sino ba yung magaling magbenta ng mga product under his organization. Okay, so we do have another menu here, what we call the UPP or the Unit Pay Plan Program, another commission that is being given by the company wherein, from the first up to the 20th level, kailangan po ay nabibigyan po namin kayo ng commission with the product sales and of course, packages sales as well of your organization. Okay, so, but of course, we have, some added requirements for you to be able to enjoy the commissions that we are giving under the UPP. Okay, so here, makikita mo na naman yung mga product sales ng grupo mo, no? So, and at the same time, ano pa yung makikita po natin? Siyempre po yung level, no? Kung saan ba nakapasok yung nagbigay, na-contribute ng mga product sales po niyan, packages sales, no? And ang isa nga po sa maganda, sa makikita po natin dito is your total UPP earnings for this month. Grabe, di ba? 123,000 you're inspired, right? So just imagine with the contribution of the sales of your group, products, and packages, kumikita po tayo ng ganito kalaki. Actually, yung iba, mas malaki pa dyan, di ba? So this is just an example. So for your information as well, in this kind of commissions that we're giving, some are actually receiving 7 digits commission. So grabe, di ba? So you really have to encourage your group in selling our products and packages as well. Okay, so what else? You can also have a backtrack of the sales of your group, when it comes to UPP po. Okay, so another menu that we can see on your left, of your DTC is your My Rebates. Okay, syempre, ano ba yung mga My Rebates po? Syempre, ikaw din, di ba? Magaling ka rin magbenta ng mga products po natin. Of course, we are also giving rebates here for you. Gusto mo ba yun? Syempre naman. Of course, before you enjoy this rebates na sinasabi po natin, of course, you have to have, of course, your rank first. Okay, so, ayan, so napakagaling po din magbenta, di ba? So, may mga sariling mga commissions ka din na nakukuha with your personal sales as well. Okay, so, another menu, yung recruitment na sinabi po natin kanina. Ayan, so this is just a review. Okay, as I said, you can also have a backtrack of the recruits within your organization kung kailan mo gustong ma-review po ito. Okay, so, isa pa sa mga pinaka-importante na kita po natin dito is yung ating product GC. So, ano po ba yung GC? Gift Certificate. So, paano po ba natin nakukuha, by the way, ang product GC po nito? Okay, so we are giving a month sales bonus, right? For every 5th, just imagine guys, for every 5th month sales bonus, we are not giving you directly, in cash, but in a GC form, product GC. For each and every GC, there is a specific product for that we are giving you, no? So, for example, so this is the first month sales bonus that we were able to give you. First, this is the second, the third, the fourth, And the fifth one, as I said, we will be giving you that as a GC or gift certificate. Okay, so once you were able to click your product GC, makikita mo dyan, no? Kung ilan ba yung product GC na meron ka na pwede po nating maklaim, no? Okay, in this portion, okay, punta po tayo dito sa left upper side of your screen. Okay, kung saan, ayan, pwede kang maglagay kung ilang product GC ang gusto mo na i-claim. But of course, if you can see product GC on your DTC, i-claim mo na lahat, diba? So, bakit naman to? Siyempre, for personal use, nakalibre ka na, or you could sell this product. So, pwede mo silang ibenta. Siyempre, para kumita ka, additional income po natin yan. Of course, if, for example, here, you decide to claim 5, pero kanina nakita natin sa DTC mo, meron kang 20, di ba? So, 5 lang ang napag-desisyonan mo, like i-claim po natin. Once you put your 5 there, okay, all you have to do is to click the redeem button here, which is the blue one. Okay, once you click that, ayan, so lalabas naman po dito, no? So, yung reference, okay, number, at syempre, nakalagay yung status dyan po ay pending. Bakit po pending? Kasi hindi mo pa siya nakukuha. Tapos mamimili ka kung saan branch mo siya i-click, no? Okay, yung mga product GC po natin na yan. Okay, so once you claim it, nakalagay na po dito, released. So, hindi ka makakapagkailan na nakuha mo na siya, no? So, make sure, no, na yung mga hindi mo pa nakukuha, makuha po natin kasi sayang naman, di ba? So, pwede mo magamit ang SignSell as your personal use of our products, and at the same time, pwede mo silang ibenta. Okay, so let's go now to your travel GC. So, makikita po natin dito, no, na meron kang 31 travel GC na po. But of course, paano po ba natin yan na pwede pong magamit? Kailangan po kasi nasa prime position po tayo, no? Of course, para po meron po tayong nilagay sa iyong DTC ng prime monitoring for a specific month. Okay, as we can see here, no? So, hindi pa sa lahat naka-check di ba? So, ibig sabihin, may mga kulang ka pa, no? Para mapunta ka sa prime position. So, check ka na sa personal monthly achievement mo, personal consumption. At most active line, ibig sabihin, meron ka ng isang linya, isang part of your organization that is active already, that was able already to reach 1 point. Okay, so minimum of 2 legs, go to moving legs, kulang pa. At 10% of the total monthly production coming from the other legs ay wala pa. So, let's have a review of this. Okay, so, for example, this is your group. Okay, so Sir Jason was able to purchase already on his group of a 9.17 points, and the other group already was able to purchase 0.3 points. So, kung susumahin po natin, ito yan. But of course, ang sabi nga kasi kanina, no, meron ka ng active most line. Ito na nga po yung organization or linya ni Sir Jason line. But of course, other groups should have a 10% total of your most active group, no? So, at this point, ang total pa lang po kasi ng other group mo is 0.02. So, kung pupupitin po kasi natin yung 9, the 10% of this is 0.9. So, ang laki pa walang kulang, no? So, you can have a follow-up on your other group, on your other line, your other organization, para mabuo natin yung 10% na kailangan po natin noong 9.19 po na yan. But of course, kaka-follow up po natin. Ang maganda, nadagdagan pa yung sale ng Sir Jason Linus Group, no? And at the same time, ang maganda naman po dyan, on your follow-up with your groups, nakabuo na po tayo ng 1 point, no? On your other groups. So, dito po, makikita po natin, upon the completion of your group, with all the requirements, ayan, nakikita mo dito, naka-check na po lahat po yan. Tama, sasabi po natin dito, no? Ang mababasa po natin, you are qualified for the prime position as of now. Keep it up. So, napaka-importante po ng ating pagiging prime kasi dito nakasalalay, no? Kung pwede na po tayo mag-click sa ating travel GC, no? And good news for you kasi mamaya, may papanood po ko sa inyo na meron tayong Prime Pass. Okay, na tinatawag PPP. Ano po ba yan? So mamaya papakilala po yan sa atin ni Sir Jason. Okay, so what's next? Ayan, yung mga reorders of products, another menu that we can see on your DTC. Okay, your left side is the reorder. Ano po ba yung mga reorders po na yan? Siyempre, yung mga pinapurchase po natin, di ba? Okay, so napaka-importante ng mga reorders history po natin. Ayan, so nandiyan po lahat. Aba, ano yung makikita po natin? May mga commissional points value, may positional points value din po tayo dyan. Okay, so lahat po ng ating mga reorder, na makita rin po natin yan sa ating e-store. Dito po sa e-store, kasi syempre, nag-purchase tayo ng product, para saan ba? Magaling tayo magbenta. And of course, kaya natin din sa ginagawa yan is for our PMA, di ba? So, hindi po automatic that when you purchase products, is naka-PMA ka na. So, all you have to do is to go to your e-store para malaman po natin, makita po natin mga purchases po natin. And take note guys, all your purchases of the packages and the products as well should have to be consumed within 30 days lang po. Kasi kapag hindi po natin yan na-encode within 30 days, naku, mawawala na po yan sa DTC mo. Sayang lang yung mga purchases na ginawa po natin kung hindi mo siya, okay, i-encode. So, ayan. So, kung halimbawa nakalimutan mo, na kailan ko ba binili ito, no? Okay, so meron po dito na icon expiry date, which is colored violet. No? So, i-click mo lang po yan, no? So, makikita mo na kung kailan mo na-purchase, no? Ay, kailan ang expiry date, no? Ng specific product na binili po natin na yan. Okay, so, syempre, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin ma-encode dyan, no? So, for example, in this one, you were able to purchase 20 boxes. Wow, congratulations, no? 20 boxes of our holidos. So, ilalagay mo lang sa quantity, ilan ba yung gusto mong encode na po natin. Tapos mamili ka kung saan side mo ilalagay, left or left side. And at the same time, napaka-importante yung user ID number na gagamitan mo ng itong product po natin ito. And once you complete all the information that we needed, all you have to do is to click the send icon, which is green, dito po sa ating right side. Once you do that, ayan. So, syempre, mapupunta na po yun dun sa user ID number na pinadala mo po noon. Okay, actually, you can also transfer these purchases of products of yours, to your leaders. But take note, guys, you could only, transfer this product codes to your organization, not to your close line, not to your upline, but just within your organization. So, malinaw po yan, ha? Actually, pwede mo itong gawing promo, sa iyong grupo, kung saan, kapag kung sino man ang merong direct dyan, bibigyan natin ng free PMA for this month, no? So, syempre, para hindi naman sila laging manghihingi lang sa'yo, ay kailangan syempre marunong sila mag-PMA of their own, no? But of course, kung gusto mong gawing promo yan, pwede rin naman, di ba? Okay, so for example, ito, meron kang purchase of products here ng C247, 6 boxes. So, you decided to transfer 2 boxes. Mamili ka on your left or right side. Tapos, yung specific user ID number na pagbibigyan mo, ilalagay po natin dyan. Then, you have to send the click button. Okay, click the send button here. Tapos, mapupunta na po yun sa kanya. Again, as a review, ibig sabihin po nun, meron ng naka-place a specific part, no? So, yung mga gray parts po naman, okay, you can see your left sales group and right sales group. Okay, as I said, with the human icons, may mga naka-place na po dyan. At para naman po dun sa mga gray parts, no? Yan yung mga available slots for encoding. Actually, if you wanted to place a specific new to be encoded here, all you have to do is to click this part para hindi ka na magkamali kung saan mo siya ipi-place, di ba? So, pwede mong gawin yon.
Okay, so once po na lumabas po yan, ayan, so pwede na po tayong mag-put ng mga information dito, mag-type ng mga information na kailangan po nating ilagay. Okay, pero yung iba, naku, hindi sila yung sa ganyang mga registration, you can actually go to our website. Okay, so once you're there, under the word sign in, there is a blue word there, which is register. Pwede mong i-click yan at dyan tayo magre-register ng bagong pay-in po natin. Okay, so once we click that, syempre ito na po yung lalabas po natin. We just have to be careful in typing different informations that we need here. Kasi syempre, napaka-importante na tama yung mga spellings kasi dyan nakasalalay, di ba? Okay, yung mga tamang information, once we confirm that, nako, at may mali, nako, sobrang daming hassle tayong magagawa po dyan. May bayad at medyo matagal. So, para hindi na tayo ma-hassle before you click na confirm, no, make sure that all the information are correct, the spellings are correct, no, before you confirm. Okay, so napaka-importante po yung sponsor. Nako, syempre, sino ba talaga sponsor niyan, no? So, at yung upline kung kanino po natin siya ididikit, no? So, kanino na natin siya idudugtong. So, napaka-importante pa kasi kapag ka nakalagay na doon, naku, hindi na po natin yan mababago, no? So, it's very important po. Okay, so, ayan. So, ano po ba to? So, select the position. Naku, kailangan tama po. Left ba o right side ba? Okay, yung paglalagyan po natin. Then, confirm. Okay, tapos, ayan, kailangan po natin na i-enter yung activation code po, no? User ID, and at the same time, yung PIN. Okay, so, kung halimbawa, okay, saan po ba natin makikita? Makakapag-purchase tayo ng mga packages po na yan. Okay, so, we can shop actually on our Easy Online shop, no? So, it's actually on your menu. So, pwede mo siyang i-click po dyan. Okay, so, dito po tayo mapupunta. Ayan, so, meron po tayong name mo sa iyong DTC is the same username and password that you can use here. Okay, so para hindi masyadong madayong matatandaan po natin. So again, different po yung website for packages and different website again for our product purchases. So once we, of course, kanina magpa-purchase tayo ng package, di ba? Kasi meron tayong isa-sign up. So ito na po yung mga choices ng mga packages na makikita po natin dyan. So for example, we wanted to purchase our Technoverse package. So we have to click the add to cart. So once we click that, ayan, so nakalagay na po dyan. So magkano po yung ating Technoverse package? 48,999. And you click the checkout. So ito na po, no? Ito na po yung lalabas. So once we click the checkout button there, okay, so saang branch, no, napaka-importante po. Kapag pick up sa branch, wala po yung charge, no? Pero kapag ka po maglalagay tayo ng address po dyan, so syempre, meron po tayong fee na ibinibigay po dyan. So once you choose the branch pick up, mamimili ka rin ng branch kung saan mo siya pipick upin, no? So dito sa head office, no? Okay, pwede pong sa Cebu, sa Baguio, sa Calao, sa Davao, sa Las Piñas, sa Bulacan, okay, sa Jensen, okay, what else? Iloilo, Zamboanga, Tuguegarao, Lipa, at saka po sa Cagayan de Oro. Okay, and very soon, ayan, so gaya nga po ng pinakita doon sa ating anniversary, coming soon, another branch at Bicol. Nako, see you po dyan, no? Sa mga taga Bicol, magkakaroon na tayo ng branch again on Bicol area. Okay, so, syempre, importante, kung saan mo ba gustong kuhanin o pili ka po doon. Okay, so, kapag ka naman po tayo magpapadeliver sa house, meron po yung fee. Okay? So, different methods can be used here. Okay? So, syempre, kapag i-deliver po natin, kailangan po natin tama ang mga information na ilalagay po natin dito. First name, last name, address, the city, the postcode, ayan, mobile number. Okay? So, napaka-importante po na tama po yan para tama po yung delivery po natin. So, there are different payment methods that we can use, no? Easy Wallet, credit cards, no, Dragon Pay, or BDO, bank deposit. Ayan. So, for example, we use our Easy Wallet. Of course, pwede nating magamit yung commission na nasa DTC mo in paying this, no? So, for example, you do have, all you have to do is to go to your Easy Wallet, okay, menu. and click that. So once you click that, ayan. So, ano ang gagawin po natin? Tayo ay magre-reload, di ba? So all you have to do is to click, okay, the reload now, which can be seen on the right upper portion po. Reload now. So once you click that, okay, lalabas na po ito. Magkano po ba ang re-reload po natin? Aba, syempre kailangan cash, no? Dun sa ipapurchase natin kanina na Technoverse, which is 40,000, no? 40,000 plus. Okay, so we of course, decided to add up to your Easy Wallet the 50,000 para magkasya nga doon sa bibili nating Technoverse. So magsisend po ng OTP sa cellphone number na naka-register sa yung DTC. So don't share, no? So yung OTP na ma-receive po natin, yung po itatype po natin. Okay, please input the OTP sent to your mobile phone. So click the proceed. Ayan, so check out na po natin yan kasi nagkasya na. Siyempre, may load na nga po kasi. Okay, so confirm the order. Ayan, your order has been placed. Okay, so, syempre po, nakabili na po tayo, di ba, ng ating package. So, kailangan na po natin yung code para madiretso na po natin, maituloy na po natin yung registration na ginagawa po natin kanina. So, shop code, so yan, lalabas po dyan. Ayan, so makikuha mo po dyan yung PIN, okay, user ID, okay, at the PIN, importante para ma-proceed po natin yung ating registration. You could also see here the package points, no? So yung mga unused points, no? Para hindi ka ma-flash out, no? So paunti-unti lang yung ating encoding. Okay, so dito po, okay, so kung decided ka na siya ay gamitin, dito mo yan makikita po sa mga use points po natin. Okay, so what's next? Ayan. So, ang isa sa most exciting part ng ating DTCS, of course, yung ating encashment. Ano po ba yung encashment, Doktora? Of course, sa sobrang sipag mo at ng grupo mo, natural, we are giving you commissions, no? So, lahat ng commission mo, dito yan makukuha, ay makikita pala. Okay, so if you want to encash now, syempre, yan ay papasok sa ating Bibo super app, no? So, ayan. So, once we click that, kung magkano po yung gusto mo na encash, naku, katulad po ni Coach Tiwani, grabe, di ba? Inipon niya yung kanyang commissions. Nag-sum up lang naman po siya. Gusto niya kasi isang kuhanan lang, no, ng 2 million pesos. Napakasarap naman pong encashment niyan, di ba? Okay, congratulations, Coach Tiwani. Okay, so what else? Syempre, magsisend po ng OTP sa inyong mobile phone number. Yan na po yung ating ilalagay po dito. Tapos, ipoproceed lang po natin. I-click natin yung proceed. Okay, encashment is successful. So, as I said earlier, of course, this encashment will go directly to your Bibo Super App. Meron po tayong tinatawag na clicking day, no? Okay, we do have 3 clicking days in a week wherein if you click, if you encash during Mondays, you will be receiving that, next week, Monday po. If you click that on Wednesday, next week, Wednesday, you're gonna be receiving that to your Bibo. And if it's Friday next week, you're gonna be receiving it to your Bibo as well. Pero may good news. Bakit po? Kasi yung mga direct referral po natin, daily po ang clicking po natin dyan. So, just imagine, ang sarap, ang sipag mo ngayon. Kinabukasan, everyday clicking, pwede po when it comes to your direct referral bonus. Yung ibang mga commissions po natin, again, may clicking day po tayo. Okay, so what else? For our matching glow pay, if you were able to share our matching glow, this is traditional business. Kung sila naghahanap ng traditional business, this is for them. Okay, they just gonna have a franchise of 369,000. And with that, at ikaw, ay syempre, nakapagpa-franchise yan sa mga kaibigan po natin, they will be given 15 accounts. Okay, so aside from that, syempre, ikaw nga ang nag-refer sa kanila, you will be given 50,000 for that, binary points of 18,000. Syempre, magkakaroon siya ng match sales bonus din ikaw kapag na-i-register na po natin ito. And at the same time, meron siyang stair-step at UPP points na 5,000 points. Again, napakasarap na ikaw ma-enjoy mo lahat to, di ba? Okay, so for you to be able to enjoy all these commissions that I'm telling you, kailangan po tayo ay mag-Match and Glow Pay. Okay, one of that we can see on our DTC is the Match and Glow Pay menu. So we have to reload that, no? So reload via DTC balance po natin. Of course, you have to log into your account. So once you are logged in, as I said, no, try to find that Match and Glow MG Pay. Okay? Diyan po sa menu natin on the left side. So once you click that, meron po sa left side na reload now. So click that. Okay? So pwede kang mamili. So coming from your DTC commission. Okay? So pwede po yan. So DTC balance, ayan. So pwede kang mamili. So 2,000 or 5,000. But of course, ang ganda kapag po okay, so what are these choices po natin? So, kapag ka po ikaw, ang earnings po natin is less than 200,000, you can actually top up 1,000 minimum of the MG Pay po natin. Pero kung more than 200,000 na po yung naging income po natin, you have to choose either the 2,000 or 5,000 of the matching glow po natin. Ang maganda po dyan kasi kapag ka yung 2,000 po yung pinili po natin, it is as if that you are going to have always a buy two take one wherein you're going to be receiving, okay, to your MG Pay of 3,000 pesos. So, instead of just receiving 2,000, again, you will be receiving 3,000 pesos for that. At kapag ka naman po tayo, ang pinili po natin is yung 5,000, okay, it is as if na parang bumibili ka lagi ng buy one take one kasi ang pinadala namin sa yung MG Pay ay 10,000. Di ba? Ang sarap, no? 5,000 lang binayad mo, pero 10,000. So, wala po itong expiry date. Take note, guys. Walang expiry date. So, every time you're gonna be purchasing, okay, or Match and Glow products, talaga namang sulit na sulit kasi naman ginamit mo ang iyong MG Pay. Okay, so, ayan. So, syempre, pag pinreset po natin yan, mag-enter na OTP. Once it was sent to you, okay, yan ang po itatype po natin dyan, then proceed. So, pwede na naman tayo mag-reload via InstaPay QR PH po natin. So, of course, okay, so you have to log in your account, then go to MG Pay menu, and then reload now. Ayan, so InstaPay QR page naman ang iyong pinili. So, either 2,000, then click the proceed, tapos lalabas po yan. So, yan po yung gagamitin natin. Okay, pangbayad, no, pabayaran po natin. So, pay via Match and Glow. So, syempre, mag-login po tayo sa ating account. Okay, yung pong QR page po na yan. Tap the QR icon. At syempre, kailangan po i-scan po natin yung ating merchant na Match and Glow. Okay, so once you scan that, okay, so itatype lang po natin dyan kung magkano yung babayaran po natin. Ayan. So, tapos click the pay, of course. Ayan. So, receive payment. Pwede na po natin i-claim yung ating Match and Glow beverages po natin na yan. At take note, napakasarap na nandito ka po lagi ng Thursday sa head office kasi laging buy one, take one ang ating Match and Glow Pay. Aside from that, of course, we do have our 19th anniversary promo. Syempre, lagi naman po kapag po anniversary po natin, lagi tayong may promo. And another promo was given to us from July 22 to July 31. Buy one, take one on our food supplements. And of course, buy three, take one naman po sa ating mga beverages. But of course, also with our OVI products, anniversary promo, buy one, take one of the same product po yan, no? Okay, so again, the promo period is from July 22 up to July 31. Eto na po, no? Ang ating Revive package. Naku, ano po ba yan? At syempre, para lalo nyong mas maintindihan, panoorin po natin itong video ni Sir Perry Tepales, one of our training specialists as well.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning sa lahat ng miyembro at community ng AIM Global Group of Companies. Meron kaming good news sa inyong lahat. Ready ka na ba? Calling all the community members ng AGG, sa lahat ng members natin na nagbakasyon at naging inactive sa ating negosyo. Meron kaming package na naka-ready para sa inyo. Introducing the Revive Package. Sa halagang 2,950, magiging OVI at Empowered Consumerism 3.0 ready na ang account mo. Hindi lang yon, dahil naka-Revive Package ka, automatic 50% off ka sa ating Bibo application na ida-download mo para sa negosyo mo. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Grab your Revive Package now and be active at mas mataw sa negosyo ng AIM Global Group of Companies.
Okay, just the price of 2,950, meron tayong Revive Package again for those na medyo nagpahinga ng konti lang naman, no? So kung gusto nyo palang ma-activate again ang ating mga account to be OVI and EC, ready na, mag-purchase na po tayo ng ating Revive Package. Ang laman po nito are Barley Glow, okay? And at the same time, meron po tayong bronze para naman po sa ating OVI products po natin. Grabe, healthy ka na, protected ka pa when you revive your account dito po sa ating AGG. And of course, hindi lang po itong ating good news. Another good news that will be tell us by Sir Jason Lino, one of our training specialists as well. Let's watch this.
PG, we have this PPP. Ano yung PPP? PGI Prime Pass. Ano pa ginantay? Siguraduhin, ngayong July, Prime ka para makasama ka sa lahat ng mga travels na to.
Okay, as you can see, sobrang daming biyahe ang gagawin po natin dahil sobrang daming mga travels na pwede mong gawin. But of course, kailangan mag-click ka muna. Pero bago mag-click, kailangan natin maging Prime, 'di ba? Pero syempre, katulad hindi na natin kailangan ng sunod-sunod na 3 months para tayo maging Prime. Isang buwan ka lang mag-Prime at may karapatan ka lang mag-click sa bawat buwan na meron tayong PGI Travel. Sabi nga ni Sir Jason, PPP, PGI, Prime Pass. So just imagine, isang buwan ka lang magpa-Prime at you will be qualified to click all those travels. Nako, saan ka pa naman? Dito lang yan sa AGG. And of course, okay, for another update, of course, dire-diretso pa rin po yung ating Get 3 promo with our EC and of course, with our OVI as well. At syempre, dire-diretso pa rin po yung ating Bibo Panalo program. All you have to do is to comply with all the requirements that we have here para makasali ka dito sa ating Bibo Panalo program wherein we are giving 4,000 pesos for 5 members who were able to qualify dito sa mga requirements po natin. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Gamitin na ang Bibo na yan. At syempre, ayan, dire-diretso pa rin po yung ating DDR or the Double Direct Referral for Easyverse package natin na 5,980. All you have to do for each and every month, like for example, this July, kailangan makatatlong pay-in ka lang of our Easyverse package. Kailan naman po natin yan? Okay, makiklaim yung ating double direct referral po riyan for each and every 15th of the next month, no? Kapag ka nagkaroon tayo ng 3 direct downlines, ang maganda dyan, every 15th of the following month, marireceive mo na ang iyong double direct referral. So, if nakatatlo ka kailangan minimum of 3. So, that would mean 500 each, mayroon ka ng 1,500, makaka-receive ka na naman ng another 1,500 on the 15th of the following month. Forever na yan! So, nako, ano pang hinihintay mo? Kumpletuhin mo na ang tatlong Easyverse package po natin yan for this month of July. Okay, be part of course of our Bibo community. Ito po, kailangan scan lang naman po natin yan. Okay, another thing, ang ating Bibo Cares ay makikita po natin sa 7th floor and at the same time sa 3rd floor. As I said earlier, buy one, take one always every Thursday here at our head office, ating Match It. And we are giving free coffee sa mga invite mo. Kaya magdala na ng mga invites po natin every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And for you, pwede ka namang bumili kung gusto mong sabayang magkape, ang invite po natin. And we're giving also a free use of our Wi-Fi here at the 7th floor and the 3rd floor as well. All you have to do is to, approach our customer service area so that they can give you the code that you can use our Wi-Fi. At kapag na-consume mo na yan, at nandito ka pa rin, and if you wanted to continue to use our Wi-Fi, hingi ka na naman ng coupon po natin para continuously magamit mo ang ating Wi-Fi. And we actually provided as well tables and chairs for you para kung may mga invite ka, dyan mo na sila kakausapin, di ba? Okay, we also provided computers for you to be able to open up your DTC para maibida mo sa kanila kung gaano kaganda yung business po natin at maturuan mo din sila, syempre, with regards to our DTC. Okay, what else? Our Cardio Pulse is free every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Magdala ka na ng mga kaibigan mo dito. This is open for all, member and non-member, na ma-cardio pulse tayo for free. Nako, yun lang, may mga kailangan gawin bago tayo magpa-cardio pulse. These are all posted on our official Facebook account. Basahin po natin para tama po yung pagpunta po natin dito. And with that, we would like to thank each and every one of you who joined us in our training for today. I just do hope na madami tayong nagtutunan with our DTC. Of course, syempre yung mga pinag-usapan po natin ay mas madaling intindihin yan kung bibisitahin mo ang sariling DTC mo. So ano pang iniintay mo? I-browse mo na ang iyong DTC para ma-master mo na, on how to monitor your business here with us at AGG. Thank you guys and see you again on our next training. God bless us all!